Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial, we will have a walkthrough on how to write a program that will solve the area of the circle using a function in C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So here we are using system class program, and then I create a function static double area underscore solve double radius. So the constant of a pi is 3.4059, and then using a return statement pi, we multiply the pi by radius twice, and then static void main, it is the starting point of every C# program, and then we have several variables here, radius and area. And then console write the title area of a circle using a function in C#. In this line of code, give the radius of the circle that will be stored in our variable radius. It has a data type of double, console read 9. In this line of code, calling the function to calculate the area of the circle, so area equals area underscore solve radius. And then here right line, console write the area of the circle radius, what is given with the user, and then here to display two decimal places in C#, and then radius and area, new line and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. Console right line, we close the main function and then close the body of our program here in the main. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run our program. Okay, area of the circle using a function in C#, give the radius of the circle, let's say 5.6. The area of the circle with radius 5.6 is 98.52 and a program. Another example, let's see 2.3. The area of a circle with 2.3 radius is 16.62 and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on area of a circle using a function in C# programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.